Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download Fortnite on PC. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open incognito window and search in Google Fortnite. So let me search here Fortnite. Once you search here Fortnite, you simply need to open the first website, that is the official website. Once you are on that, you simply need to click on download and you simply need to select PlayStation, Xbox. So I am on PC, so let me select the PC. So once I select PC, it is land me to the next page, and where I need to choose how you would like to sign up. So I have different options. Sign up with Google. If you do not have account, you simply need to click on sign in, sign up, and create an account. So you have different options. So let me try with Google. So here you need to enter your email address. So let me enter my email address here. Click on next, and here you need to enter your password. So I do not want to enter my password here, but once you enter it, it will be download into your PC. Once it is download, you simply need to create an account in Epic Games, and once you create an account, you simply need to search in Epic Game Store for the game of Fortnite, and you simply need to download that game, and once you download, you are able to play that game. So this is the process by which you can download Fortnite on PC. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.